Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Power on the TV, have the remote ready, and put the headset or speaker into pairing mode so it's discoverable. Once done, open settings and navigate to connections or network and accessories. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You do this first because an active radio and discovery mode are required for the TV to find devices. Make sure firmware is current so pairing protocols match. Outdated software often prevents detection. Now you're ready to scan for devices. You should now see a list of nearby devices. Choose your accessory and initiate pairing. If a PIN is requested, try common codes like 0000 or 1234, and make sure you accept any TV prompts so profiles like A2DP or AVIC are enabled. Once paired, set the TV's audio output explicitly to the Bluetooth device so system sounds and apps route correctly. You may also adjust volume or disable TV speakers in the audio settings. Finally, you test by playing video and checking both sound and lip sync. Use the TV's audio delay or lip sync tools if voice and picture lag. Save the device as a trusted or favorite so reconnections are automatic, and use any quick connect or Bluetooth shortcut the TV provides. If things go wrong, try one troubleshooting tip. Restart both devices and clear old pairings on the TV before rescanning. That often clears conflicts and forces a fresh, successful connection. You'll be ready to enjoy audio wirelessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.